Welcome to day number 19. Today we're going to do something a little bit different again, and I hope it's fun for you. Think about your best friend, somebody very close to you, with whom you're sharing many moments. Make this video for personal for that person. When you do that, and that actually puts some warmth and personality rather than statistical or data or facts, you talk about that feeling you have for another person and the friendship that you are sharing. Bring that up in your video, and that also it will resonate with a lot of people who are watching your videos, because you're now talking more on an emotional basis about some friendships. So give it a try, because this is a very important part about connecting with an audience that you have, and that is to open up something about yourself and your friendships that you have. So that's a tip for day number 19, and see you tomorrow.